Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi. This is A6C7. What if your electronic key fob is not working? Your key fob is gone bad or the battery itself gone bad. On the back of the key there is a button. You press that button, the blade key comes out. Once you press it, it will release the blade key. We're going to insert the blade key, turn it, and see the lights on, and we can open it. And now we can get into our car. And now we can troubleshoot later what's wrong with the key fob and we can fix it. So that's how it's easy and simple in case if your key fob malfunction, and you can open your Audi with the blade key. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.